Italian walnut cookies, a wonderful breakfast delight. This is what we will be preparing today. Ciao everybody, Caterina here. Welcome to my kitchen. My husband is planning a golf weekend. Of course, I'm going to send breakfast cookies up. And for today, we will be preparing Italian walnut cookies. Delicious. Now let's get started. With the exception of the butter, all your other ingredients need to be at room temperature. You will need your stand mixer with the paddle. Again, 2 egg yolks, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar. We're going to do this beating. Stream in 2 tablespoons of purified water. 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla bean extract. I'm just going to eyeball it. A generous pinch of kosher salt. The wet ingredients is done. Now we're going to begin with the dry. 1 3/4 cups of sifted all-purpose flour. The flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. 1/2 cup of cold butter, and we're going to grate it. This is going to make the pastry extremely flaky. In the flour it goes. Give everything a wonderful mix. Beautiful. You want the butter to break down to small pebbles. If your machine on stir, we're going to add the dry to the wet. This pastry dough is beautiful. It comes together on its own. Place your dough between 2 pieces of wax paper or parchment paper, whatever you like. And we're going to roll this out, the pastry, before we refrigerate it for 1/2 hour. You want it very thin. I don't like to waste any of this wonderful pastry dough, so I'm just rolling it in to form a wonderful square. You see, you just roll it in, and then we're going to roll it like this. And we have our square without wasting any of this beautiful pastry dough. Roll the dough out as thin as possible because you will be doing an envelope flap and you don't want the pastry thick. Place your pastry dough on a baking tray, cover with the other piece of wax paper or parchment paper, and in the refrigerator for 1/2 hour. While the pastry dough is chilling, we are going to prepare the filling. 1 3/4 cups of toasted walnuts at 350 for approximately 10 minutes. I want this to be pulverized. There. Add 1/2 cup of sugar and 2 egg whites. We want to form a paste. This is the filling. The whole thing is combining beautifully. It's going to form a very nice paste. Our filling is ready. It's so fragrant. This filling is absolutely fabulous. I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. The pastry has chilled beautifully. Now with the filling, we're just going to smooth it through the center. Fold one side over, right over the entire half of the cookie. There we go. There. Okay. And finish it off with this side. Couldn't be easier. Back in the refrigerator for 15 minutes. Ready to slice up our cookies, approximately 1/2 inch. There. Now that they're nice and firm, it's very easy to cut them. And on your parchment-lined baking sheet. Preheat your oven to 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Once you see a golden brown, you know they're ready. My Italian walnut cookies baked off beautifully, and I'm gonna say it, if you could only smell my kitchen. I'm going to allow them to cool for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to dust them with icing sugar. You can put as much icing sugar as you like. Ready to pack these up for my husband and his golfing buddies. I'm going to taste this for you. Delicioso. This is an absolute fabulous breakfast cookie. My husband and his golfing buddies are going to devour this. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and it's Katerina from My Home to Yours. Don't forget to hit your like button, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe to my channel and share my recipes. Ciao.